So hi, this is Juan Carlos from Rolly Auto, and I'm going to take the ECM that this is the Ecu that it's right under the driver's seat. Sorry. So it has two tents in here, so I just need to remove them. I hate this Chinese ratchets. They never work as they supposed to. So ready, and I can, oh shit, there's another one, yeah, in here, so I have to remove that too. So here's the ECM, and just to remove it, you just need to unclip this and pull it out gently like this, and it's ready. So I am here at Ecu Specialized Repair, so they're gonna take care of it, so they're gonna look for it. So what's the problem with this, or they're just gonna clean it? As you can see, somebody messed with this maybe many years ago.